Hello everyone, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. So I hope you all are having wow, I can't speak today. So I hope you all are having a wonderful day. So it is currently 5 p.m. and I just wanted to pop in because I ordered the JBL Charge 4 and I wanted to do an unboxing on camera because your girl loves her tech. So I just got the email. So how it works is your mail goes to the front desk of the hall that you live in. So I just got the email, so I'm about to go down and get the package and then I'll be back with the box. Okay, gotta grab my keys. Let's go. Oh my god, it's dark in here. And then there was light. Thank you. Oh my god, you guys, you will not believe the ish that just happened to me. It's go time. Thank you. All these people are looking at me like, why is this girl walking around with a camera and packages? But that's okay. We all gotta grind. Elevator stop. Let's see who I'll encounter. Who else is gonna see Danny the crackhead today? I don't know. All right, guys, gotta swipe in. Door's opening. We're walking down the hallway. And we're back. So aside from getting my JBL speaker, I've actually had my school books. Like, I got the email for my school books about a week ago and I'm just getting the package. Check. Wait, did that say check? Yeah. Okay, let's open our books first because we're scholars. Yeah, we're clearly scholars when we literally only got the package because we got the speaker. Oh, they put Red Bull in here. I don't drink that. Out on the wire. And we got media and cultural studies. Now let's open up what y'all came here for. Wow. Oh shoot, ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you the JBL Charge 4. Dun, 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 dun. That's gonna be our thing. That's gonna be in every unboxing video already. Dun, 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 dun. JBL Charge 4. Open this bad boy up. What? You can't tell me nothing because I've wanted a JBL speaker. It didn't even matter what it was. I literally just wanted a JBL speaker for like 3 years now. And I was finally like, I have some money. Let me invest in it. I would rather invest in anything tech over, I don't know, like clothes or shoes. I don't know. Tech is just my thing. You know, everyone has their makeup, their skincare, their hair care. My thing is definitely tech. Oh, that was nice. Hold up. Oh, it's so satisfying. Okay, anyways. Boom. Charge 4. Damn, this thing is chunky. Oh, but it's light. It's light. I thought this thing. All right, you gotta practice. You know, you gotta practice. Get hype. Okay, so we have the speaker, but where's the chargers and stuff? Oh, that's clever. Okay, so you see, like the JBL speaker was in here, and then I believe these are gonna be all the cords and things. It has to be. Oh, packaging is very sleek. Like you see this? And then it's matte. Oh, and then it has foam. Okay, I see you, JBL. Okay, now, I believe this is the instruction manuals. We already know what we do with these. I'm just kidding. Are you telling me I have to open the other side? What is in the middle? This is very strange. Was I supposed to slide this out? Okay, whatever. It's clip. It's clipped now. Got the cord. Oh my god, this is perfect because it says JBL on the cord. So you see it says JBL. I always have a problem with my speakers where I'll mix up the chargers. So say I have like a speaker and then I have a power bank, and then I'll mix up the chargers, and the power bank and the speaker won't charge as efficiently because I'm not using the cord that's meant to be used. So that's why I'm excited for this. Okay, so let me tell you some of the really cool features about this JBL and why I chose to get the JBL Charge 4. So back here, as soon as it focuses, are all the different places to put the cords. And a cool thing about this is if you're playing music on your phone and you plug your phone into this doubles as a power bank, so it'll charge your phone. Not only that, it's waterproof. I believe that's why this has like, I don't know if you can see the lining of it, like up here it's got like a type of plastic around it, so it's waterproof, which, oh, and you can see it on the bottom too. I really like that because when I play my music in the shower, it's different when I'm at home. I can bump, you know, like I live my best life, but in school I don't want to disturb my sweet mates or anything, so I either have to put my regular speaker that's not waterproof in the shower, or I'd have to blast it, and neither of those two things are the best idea. So now I can just put this in the shower and not worry about getting electrocuted or worrying about damaging my speaker. So what's cool about this is, I'm not sure the exact name, I know it's not micro USB, but it has the same cord as the Mac charger as soon as it wants to focus. Is that not so cool? I could literally charge my speaker with my Mac charger. Is that not so cool? But I mean, what would we be doing if we didn't turn it on and pair it and show you guys? Nobody better pair to my thing, because if these hoodlums out here pair to my thing, so you know we have to play something at bass. Okay, wait a minute, it says, oh, JBL Charge 4. We have to change that too. It can't be JBL. Why do I have two JBL Charge 4s? I'm deleting the other one. Forget you thought. We're paired now, and you know we gotta play something with a bass, cause let's play Jersey Club, because honestly, is Jersey Club gonna get copyrighted? Probably not. Probably not. If you don't know what Jersey Club is, I'm sorry. I'm sorry in advance. Okay, it's barely up, and it's pretty loud, so. Wait, look at it! Hold up, I have to show y'all. Yeah! That's my review. Really hope you guys enjoyed it, and of course in upcoming videos I will definitely tell you how the JBL speaker is treating me. But speaking of tech and how things are treating me, my camera, Canon G7X, if you haven't watched the review, go ahead and watch that. You can click somewhere, you know, somewhere. But I love it. It's amazing, super user friendly, and it's just great. It's really taking my videos to the next level, and we love that. We're leveling up, all 2K19. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like this video. Leave me in the comments down below, do you like JBL or do you prefer something else? If you have a JBL, how much do you like it? Do you want to get another one? You know, talk to me. I want to talk to you, please. Anyways, I love you guys. But if all this